Hello everyone, this is Sanjeev Venkataramanan. I am excited to share my second experimental project, Wings of Gold, a Symphonic Thillana in Hamir Kalyani. Before you watch the video, I would love to share a short introduction that will make your experience even more enjoyable. You might be wondering who is performing this Thillana. Typically, a Thillana is danced to, but here, the performers are birds in their natural habitat. It is indeed a great blessing to have the nature dance to your tune. Are there any lyrics? No. This is a purely instrumental composition. It has the spirit and energy of a Thillana, blending Carnatic raga, Hamir Kalyani, which is also known as Kedar in Hindustani music, with a Western symphony orchestra. Is it a symphony? Yes and no. It has the grandeur of an orchestral arrangement, but it follows the free-flowing structure of a Thillana. The orchestra was recorded at Jazztone Studios in Valencia, Spain, with world-class musicians, and I am sure it'll be a treat to your ears. This project took months of hard work by my amazing team, Navaneet Krishnan, Sudarshan, Deepan Kumar, and Darun Prabhakaran. They brought my vision to life with great dedication. It was a thrilling experience for all three of us to shoot this film at 3 different locations, Dandali, Bharatpur, and Pulicat. We captured over 35 species of birds in this video. I encourage you to watch closely, matching the rhythm of the music with the movement of the birds. Different layers of music sync with various bird actions, whether it's the orchestral percussion, the clarinet, the oboe, flute, the strings, or even the mridangam. If you watch with this in mind, I'm sure you will discover many hidden surprises, enjoy the musical layers much better, and hopefully end with a smile and a light heart. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy Wings of Gold.